Hello. What's up? Why did I such a big scratch there? I don't know what was on my hand just then. Arm. Why is there so much noise on the wall? Oh wait, what else? Oh, I will listen. No. I hate when there are people in the hall. Ew, like what the hell? Can you have like moles? Like gross. It had black down on my arm yesterday and now it's a mole. It's weird. It's life. Okay. Stop. Okay. Only like a holy. I just want to sing the chorus. Holy, I've been waiting for you for the whole week. I've been praying for you like my Sunday candy. Take up my body like it's holy. Whole week, my Sunday candy. It's gonna rain. What else was I gonna do? I love her. I hate that video. Not the one I just watched. What I'm looking at. Is this gonna sound good, please? I have class so soon it makes me want to die. It's disgusting. Ew. It like hurts now. So pardon if I'm impolite. I just really need. I'm sorry about the other night. Okay. Baby, it's you. I'd like to think we gave it a try. I'd like to blame it all on our life. Maybe we just weren't right, but that's a lie. That's a lie. And we can't deny it as much as you want, but in time my feelings will show that sooner or later we'll wonder why we gave up. The truth is everyone knows. Almost. It's easier to set up. That's what text. Candy taking over my body is only. I've been waiting for you like a whole week. sunshine candy. Just kidding. I have class in like an hour. It's disgusting. Gross, gross, gross. No, no, no. No, 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 no. I'm on my phone. This is stupid. I don't care about any of this. What is it? What's that? Oh, I'm gonna go away. Cancer phone, cancer phone. I have 30 minutes. I hate this experience. Okay. This whiskey. That's how you start a video. You just like, this whiskey got me feeling pretty. So pardon if I'm in the light. I just really need your hands with me. I'm sorry about the other night, and I know I could be more creative and come up with poetic lines, but I'm turned. That I'm drunk off of since I love you is the only thing that's on my mind. And I know I could be more creative and come up with poetic lines. But I'm turned up obsessed and I love you is the only thing that's in my mind. You take me higher, higher than I've ever been, babe. Just come over, let's pour a drink, babe. I hope I ain't calling you too late, too late. You light my fire. Let's stay up late and smoke that J. I wanna go back to the old way. But I'm drunk and so with the full ashtray, with a little bit too much to say. I'm sorry if I'm impolite. I lie, 'cause I like to say we gave it a try. I like to blame it all on our love. And maybe we just weren't right, but that's a lie. That's a lie. And we can't deny it as much as you want, but in time our feelings will show that sooner or later we'll wonder why we gave up. The truth is everyone knows almost it's never I'm so close to being in love. If I would have known that you wanted me the way I wanted you, then maybe we wouldn't be 2 worlds apart. But we're right here in each other's arms. Because we almost knew what love was. Oh, and almost it was never enough. No matter how close to love, almost it's only enough. Oh, girl, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I can't help but being alive. I'm sorry I stayed the night, but I didn't think you'd feel this right. And I wanna know what it feels to not wanna cry tonight, because you left my side. Words that rhyme, I can't find myself anymore. Somewhere you were there and I adored you, but I can't find you. I can't find the note. I can't find the note to tell you it was wrong of me to smile so tenderly, 'cause it was only you and me. And I can't help but think of the times we would be on the brink of happiness and finesse our endless hope in hands. You convinced me I could be a man, but in reality we had spiraled into infinity, and I can't find myself without. I need me to come back to the light, to come back to the light. I can't stand to cry. Another tear, another dashboard forehead. I can't see straight. Maybe it's too late. Maybe I know too much, and it'll all be a flight or freak, and there I'll stand, my knees so weak, and I can't see the light no more. But I still keep my shoes by the door, instead of under the clothes piled on the floor where I last fell asleep. Wouldn't it be me if I needed me? Wouldn't it be too too good to feel complete. I don't think, but maybe I think too much. Can't look in the camera 'cause I know enough that I laugh at my smile and my teeth, because they're only me. Lost in my eyes, I wanna make it all right, but I think I'm realizing that I might not be able to. Maybe it's not me, it's you. I'm just kidding, but I want to believe it. I did it to you, but I can see the truth. I wanna transition to the groove, but I don't know if you can handle the mood when it shifts from slow to true. I don't know why I need you other than to see that I don't want it like this. Ignorance, bliss. I want to put you on. Like inside. I have class in 15 minutes. It's disgusting. Oh no. Maramba, my kiriamba, da da da. What is that song? Okay, Sarah, Sarah. What will be, will be. You know? What will be. Oh, boys in motion. Oh, just kidding. Copyright. Don't know that song. You know what I mean? The boys in motion. I'm in it. I can't stop now. It's not playing in these, by the way. This is just me hearing myself. Like, I just, I thought they were real. It's okay. Okay, well, I bought this lighter that lights up yesterday. Computer, it's only real light because I'm just gonna light some sage. Earthy stuff. But yeah. And I was like, it's gonna be weird if this just comes out of the darkness and I don't preface that I severely adored it when I purchased it. It has little flower crowns. So that's me. I thought I had a headband in here, and I don't. And it's not useful. I was just gonna put it on maybe, just to do it. But now that I've established that that's not gonna happen, I found this ribbon though. What time is it? 20 minutes. This is what I do. I'm like, I have 20 minutes till you have to log on and talk to people, and they're gonna like want you to do stuff. It's very stupid. I know it's not even like it's not a class I attend. This one's online, and it's like weird because you can see everyone's screen the whole time, and it's like, why do I have to? Like, why can't we just like high five in the holes or something? I wish this fit around my neck. That'd be pretty tight. Hi, I'm Ellie, and I can't move my neck past here because, well, I can't anyway already. Like, this one's too small, so I might as well. Fashion. done my part. But, yeah, maybe I should be done with this video. Ow, ow. This headphone hurts because I lost the earpiece. Maybe I'm supposed to do something about that. But it actually made it kind of more inconvenient. Secretly, it's more inconvenient, but it made it more convenient. Because that earring got in the way. Now it just itches a lot instead of hurts. So, you know, choose what you want. Well, this is 20 minutes. I should best stop this video since I'm gonna use, like, I don't know. Sorry, I just do my facial exercises halfway through. Taking over my body like it's only. I've been waiting for you for Sunday. Mama Jamma. Why am I doing this? It's gonna rip my hair. Yeah, online class. It was so sunny in my apartment, so I had to wear these sunglasses. Yeah, so. Oh, no, that's not a shower curtain behind me with a sunset. It's that I'm actually outside, so yeah, that's why I need these during class. It's not because I don't want to make eye contact, because I hate all of you, even though I've never met you. It's not because I have crippling social stress. Oh, Coachella. I'm just kidding. Whatever. Every day of my life I look a little bit like this, so it's like, can't make fun of the fashion you wear, I guess. I don't know. Fashion. I hate that I've said that twice. Because it's fashion. I-O-N-N-E. I-E. In 10 minutes. What else is in this drawer? This is my fun drawer in the desk. It just has a bunch of This has a whole bunch of stuff you might ever need. Mints. Batteries. Bag of matches. Orange headphones. White headphones. Red headphones, pink headphones, adapter cord, all connected in one clusterfuck. So that's my life. What's this thing though? This looks actually really useful. Nope. False. False. Not what I needed. Thought I found something I needed today, did not. Oh. Cards. Cheer ups, you know. What time is it? I have 10 minutes to talk about myself. Just to myself, you know. To the sweetest daughter. It's me. I got this after I yelled at my mom, so. If this makes you feel better about your day. No! Why can't I hold these? Am I gonna be okay? Like, what's this big rogue thing, though? That's why. Parking permit enclosed, aka parking permit. It's just like gives you the right to park your car 4 miles away from your house. Literally a 30-minute walk, which is fine, but it's like, don't call it a parking permit. Can you just call it like tuition to park? Would be a preference of mine. I would feel better about it genuinely if you were just like, taxes to park your car, like, from a school, from a third party. Like, that feels normal, you know what I mean? Like, that's okay. Don't tell me to buy a that hurt. Yeah, I'm gonna keep those on. That hurt a lot. Don't tell me to buy a permit. Oh, buy a permit, that way you can park in the street. Like, and there are plenty of spots open, and the ones that are like dank spots, like some like high class parking or something, right? Like, there are always spots there, but then the permits run out. Found some ink too. Nail polish. But oh, and then so stupid. So stupid. Why can't it just be a free-for-all? It should just be like, buy a permit, it's $5. Maybe. I don't know what, I think it's like $70. So what, I should be rational. It's $13. And then it's a free-for-all. You get here, you get a parking spot, or you do not. And if you move your car, sucks to suck. Like, let's do real world stuff here, guys. Let's not be like, well, you won the award of the quickest person to sign up online. Like, I don't know. I guess. Sign up online out of like 30 permits. So then it's like, oh, let me just get one of the 30. Like, I don't know any of this, by the way. I don't know the facts of any of this. I just know personal experience. And I will say fact. The street smarts of parking permits are more applicable than the book smarts of it. Fact. Because those book smarts are fake as fuck. Like, you literally get parking tickets on the reg if you follow the rules. It's like, no. Okay, this is a long rant, and it's like only because I'm trying to wrap this on stuff still. Maybe I'll put it on the microphone just to like mess up something, you know, just in case that does that. Oh my god, I feel like something. I probably should stop this video then, right? But it's like, how long do you think people watch stuff? Like, maybe I don't care, you know. Take over my body like it's only. Can you work? Okay. Nice. Bo's entertainment. Just kidding. Unless you want to pay me, then I'm serious. Love bows. I'm choking, dying. Okay. Bartender. When you just can't let go of your middle school years. That's what I did today. I woke up and I was like, I wish I was going to the 7th grade. Just kidding, never again. I don't know, it wasn't that bad, I guess. It was fine. In like art class, right? Gym. School's weird. Oh yeah, so I wanted to look like that because I thought about T-Pain. I was like, does anyone even, you know, did anyone ever even make him feel better? Like, I mean, you know what I'm saying? T-Pain, pain. He's probably feeling not good, right? Like, when is he gonna be T-Bright? T-Sunshine? Sweet tea. I know there's iced tea and ice cube, but that's not the tea then. So the tea's there. It's like sweet tea, sweetie pie, tea for terribly excited to be alive every day. See, I could have done it by now for him. Also, if any of those become his name in the next few years, you're welcome. Hashtag. I feel like, don't you feel like there's always that kid who hated the nickname you gave them? And it's like, you can be in control of your nickname. Okay, it's fine. I won't call you it. But I will a little bit, right? And then it's like, you morph it. And then like one day, as in like 2 years later, as in this isn't a directly referenced story of my life, but it could be, probably, maybe a lot. So I worked with someone who hated their nickname, and then to a point where they told our manager that I had turned 18, aka that I was now capable of things like closing, aka I was now capable of things like working weird machinery, aka just harder stuff, as in people ask you to do it a lot. And so I was mad, you know, obviously. I mean, this isn't about me, but it is, because he told a manager that I had turned 18, which meant that I had to start learning stuff, which meant that I had to not quit the job. I'm just kidding. But that's real. So, thanks for that. Hurt my feelings. And I get it, you hated your name. Spark note to this is that I don't know how to not get distracted with my own words and story. He now goes by that name. That's all I'm saying. Is that he now chooses to be called the nickname that was so serious that he had to change my fucking life for it. Let it sink in. So yeah, hashtag, if you fucking steal any of the names that I've given you in life and you become promoted via name, I will be back for you. I'm just kidding. But I would like a cute little like at, but like not at, like social media. Like, just kidding. But maybe like just in social spaces where you're allowed to hang stuff, just occasionally be like, if you hear this nickname, Allie deserves to be 17 again. You know what I mean? Like, that's all I'm saying. Because you're welcome. Unless you secretly really hate it and you hated it so much you had to prove a point by becoming your name that you choose to like scream out like sounds fake, you know? I deserve an apology. I'm just kidding. But that was so unscary. I have no self-control. I don't know why I'm even on my phone now. So you just like black out and you're doing something different? Like, I mean, I don't actually black out. I'm not really sure necessarily what that would entail. Like a feeling. I always feel like if I blacked out in the middle of the day doing something, it's really like, how do you know that it happened? You know what I mean? That's how I always feel. Like, I'm always like, sounds fake. Because it's like, if I can just randomly black out, like, I mean, I know it's not just like a random thing. Like, I know, like, we should go to a doctor if that happens. But it's like, all of a sudden, I'm doing the next thing, right? So how is that really different than me walking down a sidewalk and being like, now I'm stepping with the next foot? Like, do you have a thought in between stepping down with your next foot? Like, you don't think like, lift, sit, so it's like, if you don't do this and you're not like slow-mo walking with in-betweens anyway, I don't know. I'm just saying that maybe we're all blacking out all the time. You want to know, maybe. You want to probably know. So add that to your list of problems to think about just occasionally while stressed or emotionally unstable, or what are some other things that are pretty difficult to cope with? Like if you have like a weird relationship thing, or if like you just haven't gotten enough sleep, you know, if it helps, I would maybe think just sometimes like, well, shit, I mean, I could have blacked out the whole time and never know. And then it's like, is it better or not? Because it's like, yeah, you know, to cope with it, you're just like, well, that never happened, right? It's kind of like a little blackout, and it's like, oh, well, I guess the step didn't even matter. Wrong. You know what I mean? So it's kind of weird that people do that, because they just black out all day. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm full circling back to, I guess. Didn't know I would, but I guess I'm thinking that is that if people are capable of just walking around and occasionally forgetting shit, like maybe I gave you a nickname, you're welcome, which I guess I care about right now, things like that, right? It's like, you just blacked out for that? Like, you just, nope, didn't happen. But if you were walking down a sidewalk, you think you would remember missing 4 steps. You think you'll forget 4 steps happened, or you blacked out for like walking through a building, like literally just one thing, like just normal life things ish could happen via, well, you black out, right? And you would think, I need to go to a doctor. Like, you'd be like, that's peculiar that I literally cannot recall correctly. 1, recall, period. Recall, well as in like, I know like good and well and like, but it's like, It's like, don't make it difficult. Like, it's like 17 step. I'm just kidding. That's how it feels sometimes. Anyway, you'd go to a doctor. You'd be like, do I need water or vitamins or a smoothie? Like, or like sit-ups or like a quiet room and a soft blanket? Like, I don't know. Like, you would wonder. But people forget like entire segments of their life. Conveniently just are like, that's how it is. That's it. I don't know how I got to this point. And it's okay if you want to forget some things, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not saying you have to like, you don't have to tell me when I gave you the nickname. I don't know why it's a nickname now. But it's like, you don't have to give a play-by-play. I don't know why this is in my head right now. I just realized I really took a strong stride with that, but that's okay. Well, I got this bow on here, and I have class in 8 minutes, so I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like I can't wait for the teacher to be like, oh, it's your turn to present your work. And I go, my program still doesn't work. And then I go, but I have a recording. And he goes, but that's not what I want. And I go, but that's what I have. And then he goes, but why don't you try running to a computer lab again like you did last time? And then I go, because no one will be there to fix it. And then he'll go, you could go walk down a long hallway and find them and then still not have it work and just be sweaty. And I'll go, no. And then I'll play my song, and then it's gonna be awkward. It's gonna be weird. It's gonna be weird for me mostly. No one else will care. I'll feel weird. Everyone's gonna be watching. I'll have to talk. I'm gonna be very aware that I feel a little naked. Probably have to put on a sweatshirt just because I'm gonna feel cold, and I feel like I'm undressing for a webcam when I'm on this show, as in class. But it feels like a show because you like watch people like, eat my chips, and you're just like, why am I watching your life? Like, why am I not just like a little dot in the, I get it, interaction. So weird. Anyway, I guess I should end this. My 5 minutes. I don't want to do this. Ooh, ooh. Boom, boom, boom. Boots and cats and getting hyped for class. But not really. Really disappointed that it's happening. Okay. Goodbye. This is how I'm gonna try to sound like that.